I did zero prospecting. I built my business in the first 6 months on door knocking, haven't knocked a door since. Last year, I sold one that was $5 million from Instagram, okay? Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm really excited. I want to share with you guys how to dominate your market using Instagram. In 2019, 100% of my business came through my Instagram and social media in general. So this is kind of cool. All right, guys. So why is Instagram so important? Here's some information here. So it has 10 times more organic engagement than Facebook. It's a free form of advertising that everybody's familiar with. The great part about Instagram is the fact that it's free form advertising that everybody's comfortable with. Everybody's on their phone all the time. So you can naturally start to attract people without having to go for the hard sell or go for the ask. I did zero prospecting. I built my business in the first 6 months on door knocking, haven't knocked a door since. I did no cold calling. I did no networking. I did no physical marketing, no bus benches. I did absolutely nothing last year. Last year, I sold one that was $5 million from Instagram, okay? So I was recognized 10 months after downloading Instagram as one of the top 30 realtors in the world on social media. So here's the secret formula, guys. You need to write this down. This is the formula for Instagram. E2I equals FC. So education times entertainment times impact equals focused engagement or focused comments, okay? So this is how you start to grow on Instagram, and this is the formula that you need to use and in order to get great results. So let's break this down. Educate, okay? These are all the things that you can do in order to educate people. Everybody is interested in real estate. The world, HGTV has proven that. $1 Million Listing, Selling Sunset, Property Guys, Masters of Flip. But here's the thing, nobody knows how it works or relates to their own market. So when I got started in real estate, I said, I want to become the $1 Million Listing agent, not price point wise, but recognition wise for my market. I wanted to become the entertainment of real estate where people can come to my profile and learn about the buying process, learn about the selling process, how to invest, tips and tricks on how to buy a property and save money, sell a property for more money in less time, learn about communities and some of the cool local businesses, all stuff that all of us have access to, information that we know like the back of our hands, and people want to know. There's a proven basically market of people that want to see this because they are obsessed with these shows, but nobody in their own city is doing this. And you can do this with, even if your price point's $200,000, the price point isn't the interesting thing. The interesting thing is having somebody that you can relate to and find entertainment in. So education is the best way to do it, where you can educate people on the information that they're already proven to be looking for. How do we entertain people? So every agent has an incredible opportunity to entertain people, whether it be luxury property tours, if you get a cool listing, or if you're showing buyers around some beautiful property. Foreclosures is one of my most engaged posts where I show people, mice running around on the floor. I had a mouse run up my client's leg one time during a foreclosure we were looking at, and people went nuts in the comment section of that video. Flips and renovations, people love to see before and after pictures if you're working with investor clients. Quirks and features of homes, just showing the journey, guys. This is stuff that you guys are already doing on a daily basis. All that you have to do is flip your phone around and start to document it. Any cool local events that you're going to or that are occurring in your city. And the truth about what we really do, a lot of people truly just want to see how real estate is done. And you're going to get a lot of agents that are also pre-license phase and are interested in seeing what you're up to. So brokerage events as well. There's endless amounts of opportunity for us to entertain. Even though we kind of take it for granted and think that it's the norm, you're going to find a lot of people are really curious about this kind of stuff. Impact, okay? The one thing that I want to mention here is at the bottom, okay? Authenticity, transparency, vulnerability. These are the three ways you're going to build that like, know, and trust factor. These are the three things most agents struggle with. 80-20 rule, okay? 80% of your content should have you in the photo. 20% can be real estate listings and just solds. Now, when I say 80% needs to have you in it, you can still be at an open house, but don't just post a photo of the property and say, hey, it's an open house. Take a selfie of you outside with your open house signs and saying, hey, it's an open house, come join me. right? So make sure that 80% of your content has your face in it. The worst mistake you can make is to start posting all kinds of nonsense without you in it, because you're trying to get people to recognize you. And if you don't share you, you're going to really struggle.